How to add money to Ventra Card. Open the Ventra app. If you don't have Ventra app on your phone, download it first. So this is the home screen of Ventra app. Here you can see Add CTA option. Click here. Then you have to select a fare type. As we are adding money, we have to click on Add Transit Value. Then choose an amount to add and also select a payment method like Visa card. Click on Go to Checkout and again click on Purchase. That's it. You added money to your Ventra card. And you can use this card very easily. Thank you for watching the video.